folded onto my shoulders, and he was like, "Are you the imposter?" And I was like, "No."
Oh no! Body down! Body down! Ego is down!
Hi guys, welcome back to the Tannerites! And today we will be playing Among Us in Real Life!
Woo!
So let's get right to it.
Ooh, M&Ms. I think this is the one where I find the big M&M and the little one. Oh, look how easy that was. It was right on top. Mix it in. Task number 1. All done. Okay, number 9. There's no instructions. Let's see, they all, oh, look, this one's bigger than the rest. Yes, I did it, woo! Okay, number 2, let's see. Oh, I'm gonna build a witch. Okay, this is gonna be the best witch ever. Okay, let's see. There, she's a little lumpy. Let's give her a face.
Oh, number 7. Oh, gotta draw a dog. These ones are cute. I'm gonna make one similar to those ones. I'm first gonna make the head, and then the muzzle.
I don't know how to make this go. Whoa. Woo! Okay.
Back, then its head, its ears, eyes, nose, mouth. Done.
All right, number 6. I have 5 balls, yellow, yellow, blue, soccer, and green. I just need to get it into that over there. Let's try bouncing it. Oh, so close. Okay.
I'm trying to make a cup tower. I think that's what you're supposed to do with these. On 3, task 3. Okay, task 3 done.
Come on, you can get in. Maybe if I just go fast. Oh no, I'm not getting any in.
It seems like the imposter has gotten lost. I wonder where the imposter is. Nothing's happening down here. I haven't seen any weird action down here. Do you know who the imposter is?
Oh no! Body down, body down. Ego is down.
Oh, wait, no, person down.
Hurry, come upstairs. Gigo, my nails match your shirt, Gigo, but you're down. Oh, Gigo. Gigo. Who did this to him? Gigo. Who did this?
Who was it?
One of you.
Oh, it appears that someone has been tagged and is down. The imposter has gone to work. It is now time for you to vote to see if you can guess or if you know who the imposter is. Are you ready?
I think I know.
3,
Me too.
2, 1, point. Oh boy, we have 1 for Savannah, we have 2 for Lizzie, we have 1 for Allie, and 1 for Asbury. So Lizzie, you have 2 pointing fingers at you. Are you the imposter?
Oh, Liz is down.
You are down.
Did you finish your tasks?
There are 2 down, only 4 players left. The tasks that still did not get completed by those who are down will now be handed off to. You already completed your tasks. You get new ones.
I did.
And
I did.
I did.
You get new tasks.
Oh.
Okay.
Ready, set, go.
Let's go, guys.
Let's see what task I was doing.
Are you paying attention? Did you think it was Lizzie? Did you think it was Canyon? Well, someone among us is the imposter. Who do you think it is?
Oh, I gotta get the right key. Is this the right one? It is! I unlocked this one. Here's the right key for it. And which one is for this one? This one already unlocked? Nope, it's not. I'm gonna guess it's this one, maybe. It's not fitting. Okay, put the right color of lid on the right color of marker. That's blue. It's green. This goes right there. Oh, I unlocked it. Okay, and this one, I need to twist and unlock. Alright. Okay, now I gotta mix them up again.
Number 8. Where is number 8? Number 8. 9. I don't know where number 8 is. Alright, next task. Person down! Body down! Asbury! Oh! Az is down! Everyone, Asbury is down! Oh no! Asbury is down! One of you did it! What if it was you?
It was you!
It was one of you that did it. No.
Oh, and it looks like Imposter has found another
Asbury's
person
down.
to tag. So we have 3 crew members left.
Imposter.
So we could
2
either
crew
be
members,
imposter,
2 crew members,
you.
and 1 imposter. Are we ready to vote?
Yes.
Yes.
3, 2, 1, vote. Oh boy. We have 2 on Savannah, none on Allie, and 1 on Sarah. Savannah,
What were you?
what are you?
I was the imposter!
Oh, you just lost it! It looks like the crewmates won this round. Next round, give me all of your numbers so that we can start with a new imposter and 1 new rule. Here we go.
Round number 2.
Oh yeah.
We are not going to get a ball. We're just going to grab.
You got that too.
It is now time to reveal the rule that we were
Yeah,
going
what's
to
the
Oh, a new rule.
New rule is, you ready for it?
Yes.
Yes.
You have to wait 30 seconds between taking out, if you are the imposter, you have to wait 30 seconds between taking anyone down.
Okay.
But you cannot go over 1 minute without going to work.
1 minute, people.
Okay.
You can't go over 1
seconds
minute,
in
and you
between.
can't take 2 people down with 30 seconds, with at least 30 seconds in between.
Okay, I need to find the blue card out of all of these yellow, green, red, yellow. Where is the blue?
I want to go to 5. I don't know what 5 is, but I want to try it. Oh, 5! I've got to do 1.
Come on, blue. Come on, you can. Oh, wait, there it is. Now I gotta mix these all together.
All I have to do is stand behind the tape, and then shoot this. I hit it! Yes! Next. Someone down! Someone down! Someone down! Someone down!
Who is it?
Savannah down!
The last imposter is now the first one down.
At task number 5, Savannah was taken down by the imposter.
Allie was with me downstairs. So was Mommy.
Oh.
Yes,
So
I
it's
was.
either you two.
I think we're figuring things out a lot faster this time.
Ego was down there.
Are you ready to vote?
Yes.
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 3, 2, 1, point. Oh, you changed yours.
You changed
No, seriously.
your vote.
First I chose this, and then I changed this, and then.
Okay, so we have 1 vote for Asbury, 2 votes, and 3 votes for Asbury.
2 for Mommy.
2 for
Oh,
3
2.
for
3
Asbury.
for Asbury. Okay, 3 for Asbury and 2 for Sarah for Mommy. We have imposter or crewmate. What was he?
Crewmate!
Oh no, you're down.
Sorry, Asbury.
Oh no!
Back to work.
Ping pong balls! Ooh, I love soccer. I'll do soccer first. Dang it!
Canyon, come on, that's my last task. Hurry up, hurry, I don't want the imposter to come. Oh, that was so close. Come on, you can do it, you can do it.
Give me your tasks. Give me your tasks. Give me that. Give me that.
This one.
Hey, you. You have a task. a new task.
Okay.
And you have a new task.
Except I got
Oh!
imposter.
Who was it?
I can't tell you.
Who was it? Oh, who was it?
What is this one? S points. Why do I always keep missing? 5, 6, 7, 8. I didn't touch anybody.
Don't you think you should alarm? Sound the alarm?
Woo! I am the winner!
Are you serious? Did you
Everyone is down. Yes, I did. Woo-hoo.
Oh no! The imposter won this time. Everybody gather! Everybody gather!
I was holding on to my shoulders and he was like, "Are you the imposter?" And I was like, "No."
No, I was the imposter.
I'm very dramatic at her. That's why I changed from him to you.
Oh, really?
Give me your tasks.
Don't get no gas.
That was not cool. You let the mom win.
Woo!
Last time voting her out the first time.
We have new tasks and new rules. The new rule is, along with the old rule, remember the 30 second and 1 minute?
Yeah.
The new rule is, you get to skip a vote.
Okay.
Go to it.
Whoa.
Canyon has now completed all the tasks, so we know everyone here can complete the tasks all by themselves. Here we go.
Oh, this is number 5. Okay, how do you do on number 5? I think you're supposed to unlock the locks.
I was wrong. Canyon has not actually completed all of the tasks. He has not done number 5, which is find the keys to the correct locks and unlock them.
Okay, I like sculpting witches. So this should be easy and quick.
I cannot find the blue card. Oh, there's the blue card. Okay. Woo! Don't smile. Body down. Careful. Be nice to the body.
Body down.
Body down.
Body down.
Wait. Where's Lizzie?
Lizzie.
Oh, is she down too? Lizzie! Down! Lizzie is down too! Oh,
Why is this the world?
Careful!
I have no evidence. I think it's her.
Okay, we are now moving really quickly here on the voting, apparently.
Okay.
So we have 2 people down. We have Lizzie down.
Lizzie?
She seems like she's a little happy about it, though. Don't smile, Lizzie, especially when you go like this.
Oh, Lizzie.
And we have Asbury down, who's in the other room all by himself. Here we go.
Okay.
Remember, you have skip a vote option. We're going to vote. 3, 2, 1.
I skipped the vote. I have no idea.
I skip.
No idea.
I have no idea.
Yes.
Actually, I skip.
Oh,
Skip. Everyone's
skipping the vote.
Okay.
Back to work.
Okay.
Wait,
Lizzie's tasks.
you get Lizzie's tasks,
Okay.
and you took Asbury's.
I took Asbury's.
Okay.
Still had to do the locks. I want to get this task done. Come on, I gotta get it in.
Is this number 5, Gigo? Oh wait, Gigo! Ah, Gigo's down!
Masha Kino.
Down.
Kino Masha.
Canyon.
Gigo Figo Migo Sigo. Kino Masha Figo Sigo Migo Figo. Is down. I'm Gigo Figo Masha Kino Masha Gigo Figo. Is down. Canyon is down. Since Canyon is down, I hear a lot of talk about some confidence in knowing and seeing some of these things happen. So, did you see what happened? Did you see whose hand tapped Canyon? Maybe you did. It's time to vote. You already gave up your vote, so you don't get to give it up again.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, vote.
Savannah.
So we have 1 vote for
Me.
Allie, 0 votes for Sarah, and 2 votes for Savannah. Savannah, were you the imposter or were you a crewmate?
I was the imposter again. I would count 30 and immediately go get someone else. The imposter! Yes! They found you! I literally would get someone, count to 30, and immediately go get another person. And I would say I did the task, but I didn't actually because I don't have to do the tasks.
New rule. The new rule is, are you ready for this one?
Yes.
The rule is, I am now a crewmate.
Oh.
But I cannot be the imposter. So,
You
the
can
imposter,
be taken down.
the imposter is in here, and yes, I can be taken down with everyone else.
Okay.
I get to do any tasks I want to. I want to do the locks first.
And shoot. Oh! I didn't get it. Fine. Sven, you better not be the imposter again.
Because I think I may know.
I was downstairs the whole time.
I think I may know. Are we voting or are we going to skip? 1 vote. What? There's 2 for me?
Mm-hmm.
Asbury. I was a crewmate and I was downstairs with you the whole time. So that means...
Imposter! Imposter! I won! Finally! I was the imposter 3 out of 4 rounds.
That is great.
Yeah.
Ultimate imposter, because she also listened very carefully when I said that there was a new rule, but I didn't say that we could use the old rules. So she paid attention very closely and took everyone down, one right after the other.
Yeah.
So she walked away. Very, very smart. She wanted to win so bad.
Yeah, I did.
Good job, Savannah, and good
Thank
job, Sarah.
you. Woo.
Did you guys like this game as much as we did? We really enjoyed making this imposter in real life.
So fun.
Thank